In today's class, we'll be learning about some advanced option we have in SketchUp. For that, let me place some trees before. With the help of mass selection, I'll arrange these trees. Now, let me place some plants over here. Now, let me place some clustered trees. And also some cars. Now guys, as you all know, if I select any object, the properties of the objects will be displayed over here, but only the basic properties will be displayed, and that's what we have discussed earlier. So they are, as you know, transparency, adjusting the green color, etc. But if you click on this arrow key over here, you have certain advanced options. So the first one is focus on selection. So my particular tree is selected, and wherever I am in this space, if I give focus on selection, the particular tree will be displayed properly. Let's say if I select this car and give focus on selection, only that car will be displayed in my screen as emphasized. The next thing we have is find selected object in library. So I have placed these plants over here. But later, in some other time, if I want the same tree to be placed in some other place, but I can't visit this material and search for this, it will be a very hectic process for me. So, if I give find selected object in library, that particular object will be shown here in our library as well. Now, the next thing is select all identical object. So if I give this, all this tree, all the shrub which we have over here, which are identical is selected. And this option, select all objects in same category, will help us select all the objects which we have in the category nature. The next thing is randomized position. For this, let me select all the cars we have. So, randomized position will help you to arrange them randomly in the space. Randomized rotation will change the angle of rotation for them. Randomized size will help us to randomly adjust their sizes. And here you can use the slider also to variate them. Then we have reset size and rotation. If you click that, all the size and rotation will be as before. Then we have space objects evenly. If you click here, all the objects will be spaced evenly and you can't define any number for that. Then we have align positions. If you click this, all the cars comes under a single word. So let's say now I'll select a random tree and come back to this car again. See, all the car has been placed in the same position. Now select all the 5 cars. Now align rotation. So if you have randomized rotations, align rotation will help you to align all of them in a particular rotational axis. And if you have randomized the sizes, Align size will help you to align their sizes same. Then, let's say you have arranged the cars in a random heights. Now, align height will help me to keep them all in the same height. Then, if I click on place on landscape, it will be placed over the plane, and conform to landscape will place them over permanently. And if I give replace selection, which is over here in the left corner, you can replace the car instead of anything which you have over here. So these are some advanced options you have in Lumion, which will make your work even more easier.